Everybody. I think this is working. This is working, right? Okay. Yeah, this is working. Welcome. Today we'll be playing Battle Bricks on a computer. Because my phone isn't working right good right now, so I'm on a computer now. I think if this goes well, people like it, then I might do more. Also, it's not really that good right now. Because internet and the fact that everything is weirdly low quality because of how bad this is. Yeah, this might be bad quality because of the computer I'm using, which is more or less Chromebook. Wow, the blue guy's getting chased by both people. Oh my gosh, it's so low quality. Battle Chapter 1. Stages information in the menu. Okay, I'll start. I think I've played this before. I think there's two levels. Load out. Yeah, only got this guy. Wow, it's really low quality. Love it. Shop. I guess there might be something there I can buy. Bricks. No, no. Uh, okay. Enough fooling around. I'm gonna start. I'll just start here because that's like I need to reinvent myself or reinvest myself to this. I'll be doing like 10 levels, I guess. Go, go, kill him, kill him. I believe this is like the most perfect game for tabletop or like a computer thing. So, good thing I'm here. Beat him up. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Yeah. 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 Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Gotta get rid of that man. I should play a different game and post this on it. It's if you know it, Stick War Legacy. Ever heard of it? No, you should because it's peak fiction at its finest. But we'll get to that later. Right now, these guys. Oh my goodness, that actually gotta hurt though, because you gotta punch the building with your hands. You gotta climb the building and fight bugs. Climb the building and fight more bugs. And the building and fight bugs. Does anybody know that video? The Wreck-It Ralph video. There's something going on in the background. There's just people outside, and also my uh, air conditioner. 350 XP. More like 350 X piss. Anyways, I think depending on how fast these levels go by, I think I might do 10. Or if not, then I'll do 5. Who are you? This guy's not loading. He's building a wall. He's not letting us in. Guys, I think this guy. Oh, I can't make that joke. I can't make that joke. This guy with his walls cannot do crap. Give me like 5 NPCs and then they'll take him out. Oh my goodness. Absolute phenomenal. If I'm tired, it's because I haven't slept well, and because this is the first video in like so long on both my channels that I posted. Also, I'm not sure, but I don't know, but maybe the Plants vs Zombies thing is canceled now. I'm sorry. It's just now that my phone's getting really bad, it's kind of cluttering up space, and I don't really use my phone that much anymore. God, that's loud. I'm wearing headphones. Oh, I got a guy. I need to put him into my loadout. For real, for real, for real, for real. Can I put you here? Thank you. Well, there's more loadouts. I can do more of that. Base. Base. Uh, how do I get out? Okay, let me see the stats really quick. They're both, okay, jeez, I hate the beeping. Ugh. Can I turn this off? No, that's not the right one. Um, thank you. I hate beep. I hate the fact that it beeps every single time I try to. Hopefully this doesn't sound that bad. 100 bricks. Chairman. What are the XP for? What is the XP actually for? Maybe it's for that. Hold on. I saw something. I saw something. Cannon power. Yes, I knew it. Unit limit. Bank income. Maybe I'll just do that for now. And then I'll add. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is good. I like that one. Let's do it. I like this. I like this. This is actually really fun. Never played Roblox in so long. It's because I was also exploding my phone. My phone is like it's like the equivalent of a bomb whenever I try to use Roblox or something because it's so gets really hot. And then I don't want to do that or else I might accidentally do something wrong. Okay, put two trial guys and then there's two trial guys and then we'll keep placing these guys down because these guys they know what they're doing. Hey, they can't do anything. Okay, we're at max right now. Yeah! No, they took out one of our guys. Go. Wait, can I fire? What the? Whoa! Why did it send the nuclear bomb? Why did my cannon send the nuclear bomb? So I see how this game works now, but oh my goodness, what was that? Why did it explode? Also, I got a sword guy. I don't think they sent out a sword guy because I never saw him. But okay. I got my battle strategies now. My super cool, awesome battle strategies. Remember, have fun. Okay. Thank you, I will. There's another person I can get. Oh, wait. It says something about guns. Guns and roses. We will send, we will send this guy and a trowel guy out of there. We'll send, like, 5 guys. We'll send 5 guys. 2 being trowel dudes, and then and then 3 of them being dummies. And then we wait, and then we use the sword guy. Of course, I'm so smart. Oh, the walls counts as NPCs as well. Oh, it's the slingshot dudes. That does a lot of damage. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Peter. Hi, Bader. Shoot him! That's really loud. Oh my goodness. Sword guys? Oh my gosh. They work. They work. They're putting in the work. Putting in the hours. It will take us hours. The scout just got freaking destroyed. Oh yeah. Slinger. I knew you could do it. Thank you. I need to keep putting more guys into the thing. I'll upgrade my thingy later. Just give me a sec. I'll let out. Let's battle these bricks. What did you say? I said let's battle these bricks. Wow! My guy! He just got obliterated! Oh my goodness! My man just got. It's like he was having such a fun day. He was gonna go back to his family. Gosh darn it! Well, look what you did! You monster! I'll keep one gun guy back there because gun guy, fun guy. We all know the saying: a gun guy is a fun guy. Kaboom! Hey, perfect, perfect. Yeehaw! No, they took out one of our other guys. Pew 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 pew. We'll just start sending out these smaller guys now. I'm actually trying to upgrade the speed for the guys. Oh my goodness. Get them. Actually, I'm scared now because they might fire at any moment. That's so loud. Oh my god. That took out a lot of our guys, but that's not gonna do nothing because uh we got ball guys. We got the guys with balls who are shooting. I got 50 bricks. Brick Battler Classic. What? What did I get? What was that? Like a banner? What did I get a banner for? Loadout. Actually, no, it's just here. Stupid. Shop. Unit recharge. I might use almost all my points on this. Oh my goodness. Can I do some original myself? No, I don't think I will. Shop. Actually, I shouldn't have left. Units. Base. Cards. What did I get? Banners? Default. What did I get? What is this for? Dulce. I don't know. Uh, can I use the bricks for anything else besides units? I'm sorry, it's if this thing is taking too long, but I need to know these things. Oh, that scared me. There was music for this area. Oh my gosh. I guess I'll figure it out when I go home. What's this? Not recommended unless experience does not affect progression. Okay. So it's a harder mode, okay. Super balling. We all love super balling. Super ball. What else should I play actually? I need other ideas for what else to play. Gotta go. Ooh. Oh no, it's the super balls. It's balls, man. It's the guy with balls. Oh, well, his gimmick is that he's able to hit people really hard in exchange for having a little less health. He does a lot of damage, and he pushes people back. Meaning he can't kill one target on his own because even if he tries to, he'll just knock him back. Anyways, let's nuke him. Oh my god, it's so funny the way they just every time you press the fire on the cannon, it just nukes them. Oh my gosh. Destroy their house. Oh yeah. Return. Room was super balling. I'm the super ball master. Make sure you finish your homework before you play. I'm not even in school right now. Actually, speaking of which, school's almost starting again for me. So, like in August. August, yeah. I should have been making more videos legitimately. I'm sorry. I should have been making more. It's literally summer, but at this point. Where is Super Baller? How can I how can I equip how can I use Super Baller? How do I use him? Uh how do I Oh, it's spacebar. Okay. It's good to know. I'm learning the mechanics of this game, so I just learned that it's spacebar to move. Kill the engineer. Oh no, that's why we can't get through. They're using paintballers. This is a deadly combination they're using, actually. Fine. Fight fire with fire. We're gonna use all of our shooter guys, and in exchange, you guys get shot. How about that? That poor little guy. Poor little goober doober. I love that little goober doober. You guys are only using. Oh no, bro. Come on. That gave us the advantage. Come on. You guys can't lose now, man. You guys can't lose now. Unreal, unreal, unreal. They're able to shoot through walls! I just realized they're able to shoot through walls. No. Actually, no, not really. They were just able to shoot him because, he's walking. He walks the walk, but can you talk the talk? Please stop. Okay, these engineer guys are so annoying. Wait, okay, first send that guy. They're far range. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my lordy lord. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need the bouncer dude. I need him to bounce his ball or something. Bouncer ball, goddammit. Bouncer balls. Are these guys the equivalent of like a sniper or something? Actually, no. The sniper would like shoot all the way past over here. Is there a sniper in this game? I gotta know first because legitimately that'll be like my worst nightmare. Or is this the equivalent of sniper? Yo, legitimately? Fire now! Yes! Yes! I got both of them! I got both of them! Go! Move! Move it or lose it! Move it or lose it! Come on! We got the upper hand now! Come on! Okay, that was difficult, not gonna lie. The other ones took me like a minute or three, and this one took me like a good solid. Come on! You guys have the upper hand now! We're just gonna keep placing we're just gonna keep placing the wall dudes because they're the only people who are protecting. Fire sometimes. Oh. Yes. 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 I need to oh my goodness. My battle strategy was actually kind of bad. Just I was too reliant on the castle. So no, don't lose that. What do you mean? Guys, shoot the paintball guys. Shoot the paintball guys. They're the ones causing the problem. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Come on. Boink him. Boink boink the paintball guy. He's the one who's doing all this. Actually, no, we can take down the he's the sniper. He's the sniper. I just heard him die and he's the sniper. Your sound effect when they die is literally just the sniper. I don't get the guy. Oh. Oh. What's a bot? Bunch of balls? No! Not again. I can't stand. Good. Do. Wonder how long this video was. um, unit recharge. No, not yet. I'm putting up the unit limit legitimately. This is getting out of hand. I need the power in numbers as my upper hand. Level 7. Uh, go you, go you. Okay, slingshot, man. Where's the trial guy? Oh, I forgot the trial guy's slower. Place the wall! The guy didn't place the wall, so that kinda stuck. No! 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 These guys are back! I can't stand these guys! I legitimately can't! Go! Kill him! Kill him! I'm not taking any chances. The moment I see this guy, the moment this baller dude goes down, I'm literally firing that cannon. Straight into this paintballer's face. I hate him. As soon as I see a paintballer, I'm firing the cannon. I'm not gonna lie. I guess just throwing a bunch of crap at them is gonna. I guess throwing crap is working. Fire! I told you as soon as I saw a paintballer, I was gonna fire this thing. We blew up their house. What? Also, if you guys want me to show my art online, then I'm willing to. We're almost there. Meat shielding. That sounds bad. It sounds like there's gonna be a guy with a shield coming in my way. No, you gotta be joking. These guys keep coming back. These guys keep coming back. I swear. I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. I'm not gonna be editing the videos because, I'm already on a computer. That's hard enough for me. Go, 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 go. There's so many. Fire! I guess my technique I'm gonna have to be playing right now is to simply be patient, wait for the cannon blast, and then once I have enough people, I can just cannon blast them and then just send them all in. Goodness, they're doing this. No! 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 I feel like a bunch of people are gonna be yelling at me because of how bad I am at managing everything. That was terrible. That was terrible. Terrible use of my cannon blast. Didn't even get like the ones in the back. Come on. Come on. You have so many people on the block. Yo! 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 That's bad. That's bad news. Fire! Yeah! Oh yeah. Oh no. No, that's bad. That's actually bad. We're sending in the big boy. These guys one shot everybody. I can't do anything. They literally almost took down my wall. They literally almost took down my wall. Oh no. Um. Uh. Uh. I guess for now we can just blocky block, but that's not gonna do much right for now. Now go, go. No, not the baller, dude. Don't kill the baller, dude. No, he was my tank, dude. They can't pass. You shall not pass. You shall not peace. New strat. Shoot them. Please, for golly goodness, get rid of these guys. Dude, the paintballers are so annoying. I can't even fire. I can't even send out like. No, I can't even send these guys out because because two shots from these guys is enough to kill me. I guess I just need to keep stalling till I'm able to actually get rid of them. No way. I guess wall and ball is gonna be my go-to strategy for now. Wall and ball, go! That's what I'm calling the strategy, wall and ball. Ew, no. No. Wall and ball. Wall! Ball! Ball, no! Ball or no. They keep shooting my guy! There's nothing I can do! There's nothing I can do. I'm gonna need a new plan. My plan for now is pray to goodness that this thing works. Mm. I have a strategy now. New strategy, dummy wall. Dummy wall. They are distracted by walls for too long, while also their walls get destroyed by dummies. By the time they have, by the time we won't be able to touch the paintballer guys, that's for sure. But the one thing they can is the cannon. Once we get close enough to them, that's when we strike. Like right now, go! Woo! Woo! Go, 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 cannon! We got the cannon advantage. Go! Out of here. Out. Out of my house. Out of me house. Afuera de mi casa. Afuera de mi casa! Problema grande. Oh, please, please, please! I need to please! There's no way. They're making a comeback now because now we lost because their paintballers are back. We can't do anything with their paintballers. Their paintballers are too strong. We had the entire we had an entire lead that we just lost because of the paintballers. Actually, mostly mainly because the small guys are too slow. They can't run that fast. Actually, we're making a little bit of progress. We're making a little bit of progress, little by little. Rumble and tumble. Come on. Come on. Dude, this has been so long. This video is probably gonna be really long. Oh my goodness. No. No. Come on. Come on. Give me a cannon blast. Cannon blast. Cannon blast now. Please. Go. Go. They've lost one of their paintballers. That's huge. I know these people. I counted on you. I counted on you. Come on! Come on! Yes! Yes! No! Our bowlers are gone! No. I just got another one! Wait! Wait! Fire! Woohoo! They're done though. For real, for real. I think I accidentally might have pressed something, but who cares? We're almost there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I just keep upgrading this, I guess, while I wait. Go! We're almost there. We're actually almost there. What is this? I didn't know that was a. I hate myself incredibly.